Hello and welcome to my network project for CS50's web programming. So here we are on the home page, not logged in, so we can go to a profile, we can view all the posts, but we cannot interact in any way. So go ahead and log in. So this is the all post page with the post details here, the content, the like count, the timestamp in reverse chronological order. So there are currently 10 posts, so I'll go ahead and add our first post. There it is there. So we can see that there are 10 posts per page. With our own posts, we can edit them. Can like or unlike. And clicking on a user's profile, a user's username will take us to that profile where we can follow or unfollow. And here's the following page with all the posts of the users we are following. And we also have the option to delete our own posts. Thank you for watching.